पुलाव मचान एक बेहतरीन आइलैंड जकार्ता के नॉर्थ शोर की तरफ। यहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए आपको जकार्ता से जर्नी स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी। सलामत थागी। कल रात we were out on the streets of Chinatown and two guys snatched away my phone. Made me really sad. What to do? The life goes on. So we go on. We going on Tiger Island today to explore more of Indonesia. Let's see what it has to offer. Indonesia में सबसे सस्ता और convenient way to commute around is booking a bike taxi from Grab or Gojek app. Made it on time. Let's go in.
We've just made it. Really, not like on time. We've just made it. It's been a hell of a ride ever since we've left from the morning.
जिंदगी में कुछ भी कर रहे हो पर अपनी प्रायोरिटीज मत भूलना।
Keeping the nails clean is priority.
गाड़ी देख आगे आपने।
चलो। Macan, baby. Seems like we have a private zone. No, we have a guest here. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris. Where are you from, Chris?
Singapore.
Singapore. That's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We have just reached the Tiger Island. I'm gonna be showing you the drone view in about 5 seconds.
ये आइलैंड बहुत छोटा और बहुत ही सुंदर है, जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही इको रिजॉर्ट है जिसमें 20 रूम है। तो आपको अगर ओवरनाइट स्टे करना है तो यू विल हैव टू बुक इट इन एडवांस।
Come, let me show you some more of this island. Let's go.
And then you can also go paddle boating. Can you take a video of me? Come closer.